Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving straight into exactly how you can turn those scattered spreadsheets into a slick, automated business dashboard. So, picture a scenario that, well, let's be honest, might hit a little too close to home. You wake up, grab that morning coffee, sit down at your desk, and before you can even think about actually growing your business, you've got to open like 15 different browser tabs. Your screen is just this color-coded chaos of Google Sheets and Excel files. You're staring down a total minefield of those broken red reference errors, just trying to figure out what your sales, inventory, and ad spend were yesterday. If this is your morning routine, hey, you're absolutely not alone. But we gotta fix it, because it is entirely unsustainable. Our source material actually hits us with a bit of a tough love truth for this exact scenario. It says, you don't have a data system, you have a full-time babysitting job. Ouch, right? But look, I completely get it. When you first started out, firing up a quick spreadsheet was the absolute fastest, cheapest way to track what was going on. It made total sense back then. But as your business grew, that one perfectly neat sheet multiplied into 5, then 10, and eventually mutated into this fragile maze of manual entries that completely shatters the second someone accidentally deletes a row. It is exhausting, and honestly, you deserve a whole lot better. Okay, let's dive into this concept of human middleware. Spreadsheets are undeniably incredible tools for just entering data. But here's the secret. They are notoriously terrible at actually connecting data. Think about it. When your sales live in Shopify, your customer details are stuck in a CRM, and your expenses are sitting in a random bank export, you end up becoming human middleware. You're literally acting as the manual bridge between these disconnected data islands. You become the one spending precious hours downloading CSV files, copying columns, pasting them somewhere else, and frantically fixing broken formulas. And not manual friction. It doesn't just cause headaches. It introduces 3 massive systemic problems right into the heart of your operations. First up, human error. Just one wrong paste, literally one slip of the keyboard, and boom, suddenly your entire monthly financial figure is totally corrupted. Second is lagging information. Because it takes so long to compile everything, you end up making critical business decisions based on last week's numbers. It's basically like trying to drive your business forward while staring exclusively into the rearview mirror. And third, wasted hours. I'm talking about those precious, irrecoverable hours that you should be spending strategizing and growing your business, utterly consumed by basic data admin. Now, before you go trying to rebuild all your complicated formulas from scratch, the source material offers an immediate shortcut. It's a free, one-page quick sheet called the DIY Data Bottleneck Finder. And what's really cool is that because business operates globally, and the original creator was actually operating out of Greece handling international teams, this resource was designed completely bilingually in both English and Greek. So it's the super simple, highly actionable tool to just get you started on the right path immediately. The real beauty of this bottleneck finder is how it categorizes your business into 3 core pillars: sales, operations, and finance. By simply filtering your daily tasks through these specific areas, the tool helps you spot exactly where manual work is just draining your time, and it does it in under 5 minutes. It highlights the cracks in your current workflow so you can stop the bleeding and implement a few quick DIY fixes right away. And this builds perfectly into our ultimate solution. Today, we're going to follow a very specific 4-step framework. First, audit and centralize. Second, clean and standardize. Third, build automated architecture. And fourth, design for action. Stick with me here, because this framework will completely change how you interact with your business data. All right, starting right off with step 1, audit and centralize. To begin, you have got to stop opening new spreadsheets for every single new question you have about your business. Seriously. Instead, you need to map out every single tool your business uses today. We're talking your payment gateways, your point-of-sale systems, ad platforms, accounting software, the whole shebang. So the crucial point here is establishing a single source of truth for each of those areas. Instead of having 5 different team members maintain 5 separate summary sheets that inevitably conflict with each other, you designate one authoritative system for each business area. For example, if your sales happen in your point-of-sale system, then the POS is the absolute truth for your revenue, period. It is definitely not the manual summary sheet that Bob in accounting updates on Fridays. The source system is the truth. Moving right along to step 2, clean and standardize. Listen, there is a golden rule in data science you absolutely need to know. You cannot automate garbage. It honestly doesn't matter how expensive or how sophisticated your software is. If your underlying data is a messy, inconsistent disaster, the automation instantly breaks.
For instance, just notice what happens when one team member enters date says day, month, year, and then someone else types out the full month, day, and year. Or say you have product names spelled 3 completely different ways depending on who's typing that day. When a computer tries to automate a report, it sees these variations as entirely different data points, creating immediate hard roadblocks.
But hey, don't worry. There is a ridiculously simple DIY fix for this that you can apply today: data validation. I know it sounds a little technical, but all it really means is forcing drop-down menus instead of allowing people to just type whatever free text they want. If you want to know an order status, just create a drop-down with strict options, like pending, shipped, or paid. By standardizing your inputs with this quick 10-minute fix today, you will literally save yourself and your team 10 hours of agonizing manual cleanup later in the month. It's a total game changer.
Now for step 3, build automated architecture.
All right, this is the magic step where we officially stop manually exporting those CSV files and enter the realm of systems thinking through what we call invisible pipes. This is how you connect your tools seamlessly. Imagine this microstory for a second. A customer visits your website and clicks Buy. Immediately, that transaction flows through a native API connector, our invisible pipe, straight into your central database. Without a single human click, your stock inventory drops by 1, and your daily revenue dashboard ticks upward in real time. Boom. That is the power of automated architecture working silently in the background, all while you focus on actually running the business.
And that brings us to our final step. Step 4, design for action. Now that your data is flowing automatically, you obviously need a place to view it. But here is a very stern warning. Do not build a dashboard that looks like some chaotic NASA mission control wall packed with 50 different charts and flashing graphs. A dashboard flooded with irrelevant information is honestly just as useless as having no dashboard at all. And this brings us to the ultimate metric of a well-designed data system: 5 seconds. That is the absolute maximum amount of time it should take you to open up your dashboard, read the screen, and completely understand the current health of your business. If it takes you 5 minutes of mental gymnastics just to figure out if you're making money or losing it today, your dashboard is entirely too complicated. To actually hit that 5-second rule, you have got to ruthlessly focus on just 3 to 5 core key performance indicators, or KPIs. For most growing businesses, you want to see things like net cash flow, customer acquisition cost, and maybe order fulfillment lead time, all prominently displayed. My advice to you here is strict but super necessary. If a metric on your screen does not directly influence a strategic decision you're going to make this week, you must remove it from the main dashboard. No exceptions. Keep it clean, keep it focused. As we wrap up this framework, keep in mind that building basic formulas and adding dropdowns on your own, that is a fantastic, absolutely necessary first start. But as your business truly scales up, relying solely on DIY methods will eventually hit a ceiling. And that's where stepping up to a professional, automated architecture becomes absolutely critical. Professional design ensures that your data systems are rock solid and resilient, meaning they absolutely will not break or crumble when you inevitably add new software or scale your order volume by tenfold down the line. I want to leave you with a bit of a provocative thought as we close out today's explainer. I want you to look at your own daily workflow. Look at all those tabs you open every single morning and just ask yourself, what is the one spreadsheet task you wish you could automate today? Seriously, think about it. Identify it, apply the 4 steps we just covered, and take your very first step toward turning those scattered spreadsheets into a slick, automated business dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me today, and keep building smarter.